All right, first alert weather now. Everyone has all eyes on the forecast, when to leave. I mean, this is kind of like the wedge day here of travel.
Right.
It's like a nice day to leave.
Yeah. Leave right now.
At 5:15, get on the road.
Here we go. But if you do get out on the road this morning, it's very slick. Freezing fog now being reported right around Norwood. So that's what I hit this morning. Yeah, I hit a patch of ice on 128.
Careful.
I know. So a little bit of a shock as you head out this morning. We do have some icy patches. Temperatures have dropped below 32 degrees in many communities, and also some very thick frost on the windshield. Now, in terms of anything falling from the sky, other than that fog, no, we don't have any snow here in greater Boston, or rain for that matter either. We do have some flurries across parts of the mountains up north, and our next storm system moves in as soon as tomorrow. This bringing us that wintry mess, and it's starting to develop across parts of the Midwest. So in the meantime, we have some of that freezing fog, and we already have some winter storm watches in place for parts of Vermont into New Hampshire, just outside of Manchester, and that's where we expect the chance for at least allowable snow accumulation. As for any snow for tomorrow, going right into Thursday, 5:45, we're waking up to that chance for some light precip from the clouds and a wintry mix anywhere north of Boston. Temperatures in the 30s. We warm things up quick enough, though, as that wind is coming off right across that warm ocean temp, which is sitting in the low 50s. And as it does, it will keep us warm enough to avoid any snow in Boston. Temps in the 40s already by 8 o'clock. Now, farther inland, that's a different story. Elevation driven, a chance for a wintry mix, and even some snow showers. That snow will crank hard enough to accumulate, especially on some of the grassy surfaces to untreated roads as well across Keene, Brattleboro by Thursday afternoon. It's still cranking all that wind and all that rain. That rain continues to pour down, and it's going to be a very, very gusty day too. Peak winds 40 miles an hour at the coast. On the backside of the system, about 8:15, we still have these showers. The wind direction sweeps in from the north, and on the back edge, right around the Merrimack Valley and even southern New Hampshire, we have the quick chance at some light snow accumulation. But all around, it does look like all rain still from Boston to Gloucester down into Rhode Island and southeastern Mass. Mostly rain, ends as a mix across Lowell, Leominster, Clinton, and a few inches of snow once we go across Vermont into New Hampshire. Here's a look at how much rain, around an inch overall. How about that snow map? Coating to 1 inch, 1 to 3 more specifically. So it's well outside of that Route 2 corridor into 495, outside of there too. Fitchburg, Lunenburg, 1 to 3, and then 3 to 5 across parts of the interior higher elevations. And we get a little bit higher than that too across ski areas. Here's our 10-day forecast. First alert day for tomorrow on Thanksgiving, and then it's quiet after that.